Hi guys, I'm back again. My name is Johan, and in this video we will talk about the hottest topic in crypto today, that is yield farming. We will see together what yield farming means and what involves to do yield farming. Let's take a quick look at the market today. Since the last week, the market dropped significantly. We see in the past 7 days 14% on Bitcoin, 23% drop in Ethereum, XRP 16%, in Chainlink 25% in the past 7 days. Let's see the winners. We have Blockstack 19.4%, UMA 10%, and Tron 9.4%. And the losers: Sushi Coin, Hyperion, BitShares, and the list goes on. We have a very big discount. We have big discounts this week. The market is down significantly. So let's jump straight into what yield farming is. So this new term in crypto called yield farming is shortened for clever strategy where putting crypto temporarily at the disposal of someone startup application earns its owner more cryptocurrency. So another term is liquidity mining. So the yield farmers are the liquidity providers in the liquidity pools. So in DeFi application, you are not worrying about trusting you because they have the collateral you put up to back your debt. On Compound, for instance, a $10 debt, it requires $20 in collateral. We have $7.77 billion locked into DeFi projects. Look at this, guys. It's insane. So liquidity added to Uniswap is represented by a token, not an account. Uniswap is an automated market maker. This means Uniswap is a robot on the internet that is always willing to buy and it always willing to sell any cryptocurrency for which it has a market. On Uniswap there is at least one market pair for almost any token on Ethereum. Behind the scenes, that means Uniswap can make it look like it making a direct trade for any two tokens, which means it is easy for users, but it's all built around pools of two tokens, and all these market pairs work better with bigger pools. So what is yield farming? Yield farming is an effort to put crypto assets to work and generate the most return possible on those assets. A yield farmer may move assets around with Compound, constantly chasing whichever pool it offers the best API from week to week. This means moving into riskier pools from time to time, but a yield farmer can handle the risk. The user looks for edge cases in the system to take out as much yield as they can across as many products, and it will work on it. Liquidity mining is when a yield farmer gets a new token as well as a usual return. That's the mining part, in exchange for the farmer's liquidity. The idea is that stimulating usage of the platform increases the value of the token, thereby creating a positive usage loop to attract users. Every day the Compound protocol looks at everyone who had lent money to the application and who had borrowed from it and gives them Compound proportional to their share of the day's total business. It's possible to lend to Compound, borrow from it, deposit what you borrow, and so on. This can be done multiple times, and DeFi startup instadapp even build a tool to make it as capital efficient as possible. Let's look. This is instadapp. So we can use Compound, we can use Aave, we can use Curve, we can use MakerDAO, all with the same dApp. We don't need to go to the site. We don't need to go to Compound. We don't need to go to MakerDAO or Aave or Curve. We just deposit here the liquidity, and with our liquidity we can earn interest. dApp is making this easier for us to do yield farming. Here is Compound. You deposit, you connect with your MetaMask wallet, you deposit whatever coin you like, and you can see the API here. Does pooling mean? Providing liquidity to constant function market makers and earn potential exchange fee in return. In traditional finance, most exchanges maintain in order book and facilitated machine between buyers and sellers. For each successful match, traders are charged exchange fee, which go directly to the exchange operators. The DeFi difference is smart contracts hold liquidity, reserves of various tokens, and trades are executed directly against these reserves. Prices are set automatically using the constant product maker mechanism, which keeps overall reserves in relative equilibrium. Reserves are pooled between a network of liquidity providers who supply the system with tokens and receive the potential share of transaction fee accrued. With fluctuation price, liquidity providers may incur impermanent loss. Zapper help you access the best pooling opportunities from a single interface. So we have zapper.fi that can help us use the uniswap pool, the curve pool, and the balancer pool. All of these in one single app. So we can find here all what we need. We don't need to go to other places. We simply connect our MetaMask and we add liquidity here. See? So this is it. This is how simple is to use zapper.fi to do yield farming. So is yield farming for everyone? Unfortunately not, because you need big liquidity to do yield farming and to get good results, because as we have seen in the past weeks, the fees, the network fees and the gas fees on the Ethereum network are very high. So only to initiate a trade it requires a very big amount of money. So the yield farming is not for everyone. It is for people that have a lot of tokens, a lot of ETH and other coins. So it is simple to do yield farming, but you need to have a lot of tokens and you can make a lot of money, but also you can lose if the situation in the market is very volatile. If a big drop occurs, then you can lose all your capital. Is it worth it? As the sector gets more robust, its architects will come up with even more robust ways to optimize liquidity incentives in increasingly refined ways. We could see token holders greenlighting more ways for investors to profit from defined niches. Whatever happens, crypto yield farmers will keep moving fast. Some fresh fields may open and some may soon bear much less luscious fruit. But that's the nice thing about farming in DeFi. It is very easy to switch fields. So, ladies and gentlemen, this was the video for today. I hope you understand something from it. And if you like my content, please subscribe, leave a comment or a like or a dislike. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.